Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation a to the power of 9 plus a to the power of 6 is equal to 36. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting a to the power of 9 as a to the power of 3 times 3, and rewriting a to the power of 6 as a to the power of 3 times 2. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So a to the power of 3 times 3 turns into a to the power of 3 to the power of 3, and a to the power of 3 times 2 turns into a to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to let a to the power of 3 equal to the variable t. So if I substitute in t, I get t to the power of 3 plus t squared is equal to 36. And this means that t to the power of 3 plus t squared minus 36 is equal to 0. So what we have here is an equation that's not quadratic. So to actually solve this, what I'm going to do is find one solution of t and then use that solution to find the remaining solutions of t. So to find that one solution, we just have to test values of t. So I'm going to first start with t equals 0. If t equals 0, I get 0 to the power of 3 plus 0 squared minus 36, and this does not equal to 0. Now I'm going to try t equals 1. If t equals 1, I get 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 squared minus 36. Again, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 36 is negative 34. That does not equal 0. Now I'm going to try t equals 3. T equals 2. If t equals 2, I get 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 squared minus 36. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 36 is negative 24, which is not equal to 0. Now we have t equals 3. 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 squared minus 36. 3 to the power of 3 is 27 plus 9, which is 36 minus 36. This does equal 0, meaning t equals 3 is a solution, and this also means t minus 3 equals 0. So I'm going to now divide t minus 3 with t to the power of 3 plus t squared minus 36. So I have 3 to the power of 3 plus t squared minus 36 divided by t minus 3, and this should give the remaining solutions for t. So to divide this, if I factor out t minus 3, I get t minus 3 times t squared minus 4t squared minus 12t plus 12t minus 36 is equal to 0. And I can factor out t from here. So I have this times t minus 3, and I can factor out 12. So I get 12 times t minus 3. Now from here, if I factor out t minus 3, from all of this, I get t minus 3 times t squared plus 4t plus 12. Meaning, I have two equations. I get t minus 3 is equal to 0, and t squared plus 4t plus 12 is equal to 0. So obviously, we already know that t equals 3 is a solution, but for t squared plus 4t plus 12 equals 0, well, let's first do b squared minus 4ac to see if there's even any real solutions. B squared is 16. I get 16 minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 12. And this is less than 0, meaning this is a negative solution. And you can't take the square root of a negative number for a real solution, so there's no solution for this. Meaning t equals 3 is my only solution. And now recall how a to the power of 3 is equal to t. Meaning a to the power of 3 is equal to 3, and a is equal to the cube root of 3.